Helmet saves life. Helmet is one of the most important safety accessory for motorcycle riding. But having a right helmet not only gives you safety but also makes your ride very comfortable. Hi guys, I'm Bhavesh Sheda from Moto Masti, and today I'm here with my helmet Shoei GT Air 2 with a 3-year long-term review, and let's talk something about this. Shoei GT Air 2 is a sport touring helmet which is very useful and secure and safe for your long rides and especially for touring. The dual layer APS shell of this helmet is made of advanced integrated matrix which comprises of lightweight fiber which is sandwiched between two external layers of fiberglass, making it one of the most safest and strongest helmets in the world. Coming to the name, as it suggests, Shoei GT Air 2. So the ventilation of this helmet is excellent. If you'll see, there is a huge vent on the top which takes a lot of air as an inflow, and there are two vents behind which helps as an exhaust, and there is a vent on the chin which helps to take the air inside, creating a very efficient airflow within your helmet, keeping you cool during your long summer rides. The overall weight of this helmet is just a little more than 1500 grams. The best part is that the weight distribution of this helmet is equally proportionate, so therefore making it a very ergonomical helmet and very easy on your neck, your back and the cervical. So it becomes very easy to ride when you're riding for longer time. It doesn't gives you pressure. So coming down to the visor, it has got a thick, strong visor and which is also pin lock ready. This has also a very nice internal sun visor where you can operate it on the left switch, which makes it very convenient. This is the drop down visor. If you see, the length of the visor is quite good, and also the best part of this helmet is there are two levers on the side which will help you to adjust the height of this visor so that it becomes comfortable while riding on hot sunny days where there is direct sun coming onto you. I can assure you, you will not require any sunglasses. The UV visor is that effective. As I was mentioning about the visors, both the sun visor and the main visor, they are very easily removable, so the maintenance for the helmet becomes very easy. Also, if you can see, the sealing, the rubber sealing around the visor is very efficient. It's very airtight, so especially when you're riding on high speeds, it becomes very airtight, and also during the rains the water doesn't penetrate. So this makes the Shoei GT Air 2 one of the most quietest helmet, and it reduces the wind noise up to a very great extent. Now coming down, there is a breath guard out here, and there is also a chin curtain out here which again helps to reduce a lot of wind noise, and also the aerodynamic of this helmet is excellent. Now getting inside the helmet, if you'll see the cushioning and padding of this, the inner liners of the helmet, you feel really luxury wearing this helmet because this comes with a very premium quality. It's made of very soft and dense padding, giving you a very snug fit to your face, which again reduces a lot of wind noise, and especially during any sort of an accident, it is very important the helmet has to be very snug fit, and also to cut off the wind resistance and wind noise, the helmet shouldn't be moving on high speed. So therefore the inner padding helps you to keep your helmet very steady and safe. So this helmet comes with a micro ratchet which is made of stainless steel. It becomes very easy and convenient to lock and unlock this as compared to the traditional D-ring ratchets, so making it equally safe, convenient and easy even when you're wearing your gloves. The helmet comes with DOT certification which is recognized in United States, and it also comes with EC certification which is recognized in European countries. Shoei GT Air 2, it has got one more feature. It comes with a cutout on the side for the Sena intercom device SRL2 model. So you can just fix your external intercom device on the side out here, and at the back part on the bottom there is a compartment given for the battery. So you store the battery here and your intercom here, so thus making it the whole helmet design much more aerodynamic. So these are few features of this helmet which makes this one of my most safest and the best companion helmet on my long bike tours. And coming to the ergonomics and the safety for this helmet, I think my friend Lokesh will be a better person who has a first-hand experience with the Shoei GT since last 1.5-2 years, and I've been using this helmet since 3 years. So Lokesh, please can you tell us more about the helmet and your experience?
Thank you, Bhavesh, for suggesting and getting this helmet.
My pleasure.
See, last to last year जब नेपाल राइड की थी हमने, उसके बाद मुझे स्पॉन्डिलाइसिस का प्रॉब्लम हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉन्ग राइड्स एंड कंटिन्यूस जर्नी. तो उसके बाद मैंने नेहा न्यूट्रीफिट में रिहैब और फिजियोथेरेपी ली. उसके बाद अच्छा तो हो गया, रिकवर तो हो गया, बट देन भावेश टोल्ड मी कि अभी नेक्स्ट वापस बड़ी राइड करनी है तो सेम प्रॉब्लम वापस आ सकता है. सो
That's why I recommended Lokesh to try Shoei GT Air 2 once, and he agreed. और मैंने कैसे जैसे तैसे तो मैंने अरेंज करके दिया इसको. So I think कश्मीर राइड जो almost more than 4,000 kilometers का था, he has used, and how was it?
या वो 4,000 किलोमीटर का राइड में इट वाज सो गुड. विंड रेजिस्टेंस नहीं आ रहा था, मेरे नेक पे प्रेशर नहीं आ रहा था. आफ्टर सम किलोमीटर्स तो मुझे लगा कि इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ माई बॉडी, कोई वेट ही फील नहीं हो रहा था. और बेस्ट पार्ट ये इतना साइलेंट है कि मेरे कान को भी अच्छा लग रहा था.
We were able to talk and sing on our intercom very comfortably. So yeah, so thumbs up to our Shoei GT. I'm using it since last 3 years. And Lokesh,
Yeah, I'm using more than 1.5 years.
so I would highly recommend this helmet. Excellent for long tours, for sustainable riding, when it comes to your health and your fitness, especially your cervical. The only downside of this helmet is काफ़ी महंगा है, very expensive, and this is not ISI certified, so it is legally not available in India. So difficult to buy this helmet. और also जब भी अगर इसका कुछ स्पेयर्स चाहिए, जैसे कि इसका वाइज़र है या इसका कुछ पैडिंग है, so it is very difficult to get your hand on it. So that is the only downside, but otherwise amazing. So guys, ride safe and always wear your helmet, and try to select the right kind of helmet, because it doesn't only save life but it also makes your ride very comfortable. Thank you. And if you want to know more about this helmet, you can put us comments, and if you need some more content similar, please write to us, follow our channel, subscribe, and do share with your friends. Thank you, and keep riding safe.